with it, yeah.
When you shake it up, you get me Rudy. Wouldn't mind me think you get cutie. It's cutie.
I'm an asshole. If I give her a good dick, she a bad hoe. Me and your bitch got history, I been had those. First I put them to that test and I pass hoes. Small sugar, but I keep a big bankroll. We don't wanna get back L's, we don't take those. I be running up a check home, chase hoes. Any meal with them spirits, I make those. $500 dollar, I don't even wear. Let her fuck the whole team, I don't even care. I ain't switching with your bitch, nigga, I'm a share. But the shit that we hit, nigga, you a square. Little bitch on my dick, I'ma hit the hoe. If I bro hit, I don't even wanna hit no more. Don't think to your bitch, might give her a dose. When she feeling for the day, she be doing the most.
Nigga has life, he ain't get shit. All of my bullets come free and lick, bitch.
Think that bitch mad, she ain't his bitch. Hey, hey. I ain't got it, you gon' chop out, drop shit.
I ain't flexing for it, it's a bitch, fuck a pic.
All my bitches getting money, we ain't doing ditch.
Ain't you take it, or he a fucking trick. Flexing for a nigga, he ain't got shit.
I ain't treated by no bitch, I'ma stop them. All the niggas really killers get my dick. Bitch, you broken, you mad, I'm a hot bitch. I ain't gotta talk big, bitch, I'm body.
Pop at your crib, make you come about it.
I take a bitch, nigga, have her in her body. Name honey, bitch, you can come and lick it off against the bitch.
I'm a pistol pop and get it out the mug, bitch. I'm the type of bitch you might just fall in love with. I'm looking for the money where the plug at. I'm a rich bitch. Finesse a nigga out of life, he ain't get shit. All my girls come free and lick, bitch.
Think that bitch mad, she ain't his bitch. Hey, hey. Bitches
Wanna fight, ain't no ones and ones. You talk real crazy, we
One time. Hey, all I really got in this is me. Everybody else just wants a piece. Youngsters peering out these singles. They ain't saying shit but my jingle. La la la. I've been prepping games like who are you? I can see through you, I got x-rays. I don't give a fuck what my ex say. One time, two times, too many, I said 3 times. 4 times, too many, I said 5 times. 6 times, too many, you done fucked up. 1 time, too many, yeah, 1 time. 2 times, too many, I said 3 times. 4 times, too many, I said 5 times. 6 times, too many, you done fucked up. 1 time, too many, yeah. CEO, that's my destiny. Line hoes, little look at that.
Hey you guys, good morning. It is Tuesday, May 3rd of 2018 and I just woke up. I woke up at 9 to take my birth control and all that, and then I went back to sleep. Y'all, it's fucking cold. Like, it's been raining and it's still raining. So that sucks, but I have my children's appointment tomorrow and I have food in the kitchen that I thought out for today so that I could make it. But anyways, y'all, I'll talk to you guys later. So you guys, it is currently 9:46 and I just got my shrimp and I'm about to cook it. And I have my stir-fry meat that's unthawed. I know if you don't like blood, don't watch this. And I just cleaned my pan, so I'm about to cook this stuff and I'll talk to you when I'm done. So you guys, this is what it's looking like. I have the meat, I have parsley, and I have green onions. No, not green onions, like the... And this is the mess I've made, but yeah, this is what it consists of. So you guys, this is what it's looking like. And that's what the shrimp is looking like. Oh no, I think I'm gonna cook it a little bit more. I don't want it to hurt anybody, you know, like sick wise. But yeah, the shrimp is doing good. I guess I could just pour the shrimp in here. Hold up, y'all. I gotta do something. Hold up. So you guys, this is what it looks like. I don't know if I should add more shrimp or not. Because shrimp is really good, but I think that's enough for this pan. But yeah, there's the seasoned stuff. The stuff on the bottom of that is seasoning that I added to it. But yeah, this is what it looks like, y'all. So you guys, it's currently 10:09, and this is how it came out, y'all. It has shrimp and meat and parsley and green onions. So yeah, came out pretty good. I'm gonna eat some and see how it tastes. Let me get a shrimp real quick. Shrimpy. Yep. And I think I'm gonna eat some pineapple with it. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna eat some pineapple with it, so yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. So you guys, I just finished my plate. I'm drinking some fruit pineapple juice. And I'm also eating pineapples, so I'm gonna become a pineapple. That's what's gonna happen. I was planning to go, I don't know if I'll go or not. I was planning to go and get me some blunt wraps, which I think I'm gonna go. I think I really am. In the rain, but it's okay. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. So you guys, it is currently 10:34, and I just double layered my bottoms. As you guys can see, I double layered because I'm going to be going out in the rain as it's raining. So let me set you guys down for just a second while I get my jacket on. Big ass jacket because, you know, your girl does not want to catch a cold. I shouldn't even be going out in the rain, but, you know, desperate measures call for desperate times, eh? Alright, y'all. Let's see how this goes. And my phone is the iPhone 8 Plus, so if it's raining really hard, then I'll be okay because... Okay, it's not that bad. Could be worse. Put on my hat here. Get my hair situated. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm doing this for y'all, so hopefully no one locks the door while I'm gone. If they do, I'll be stuck at the gas station. Or stuck here out in the cold. But I'm on my way. I got the money, change, so I can get these blunt wraps. Keep in mind I don't have enough weed for blunt wraps, but I'm just stocking up. I don't know if as long as you don't open it, it doesn't get bad or what, but worth the try, right? So yeah, y'all, I will get back to you guys when I get there. So you guys, it is currently 10:51, and look at this pile of rain. They got like a big ass puddle right here, but I'm almost to the gas station. Then I'll get the stuff I need and be done with it. I don't want to get sprayed or nothing, so look at this big ass puddle, y'all. Like, that's how much it's been raining, bro. Like, they need to make a drain right here. Like, for real, for real. But yeah, y'all, at the gas station, as you guys can see, about to get these wraps, blunt wraps. Y'all, When I tell you my abs, well, not my abs, but my stomach is hurting. Holy shit, and my hands are like cold. They just got warm all of a sudden. I don't know why, but I have to go get these blunt wraps and just relax for a few minutes because your girl has been under the rain for about 15 minutes walking to the gas station. Whew. Desperate measures call for desperate things, you know? Hi. Alright, y'all. I'm in the gas station right now. Whew. Holy crap. Energy drinks. I might buy the energy drinks. They put them there. But yeah, I'm at the gas station. I gotta get the change out, so hold up, y'all. This change out before I even get. Sorry. And I'll do it when nobody sees it because I don't want. I don't know what kind of switchers they have either, so. The only thing I hate about switchers is the fact that it has nicotine in it. Because I don't like that. I think I'm gonna get like 4 or 5 switchers. And hopefully they don't go bad before I smoke them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I got enough change for at least 4 of them. I'll just ask for 4. And I don't know what kind of flavors I'm gonna get, but I'll figure it out. Oh, that's not recording. And I'll need my ID. So anyways, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. So you guys, it's currently 11:03 and I just went apeshit with getting some, let's see if I can hold you guys there, some wraps. I got all flavors, and don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hold y'all there, but so I got cherry, so I got all of these. So I got mango, I got grape, I got all the flavors. I got strawberry, I got melon, I got cherry, I got straight up, I got peach, and I got blueberry. So I have all of these wraps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So zigzag. But the only thing I hate about wraps is, which I'm getting a grinder. Hold up, y'all. I got this bag. Oh my gosh. Oops, shit. The only thing I hate about zigzag is the fact that it has I think it has tobacco in it. Yeah, it has tobacco in it. That's the only thing I hate about these, but it's better to have them than not have them. If anybody needs some, your girl has them. Fuck it. I didn't need the bag anyways. Look, my bag just totally flew. I might ask for another bag because it flew away, but yeah, y'all, I got all these wraps. So, let me sit this here. So yeah, I got all these wraps on. And I'll show you guys what the flavors are. Like, I already did, but when I get home, I'll show you guys the flavors. But let me get my shit together because your girl has to walk home in this bullshit. So, and I gotta get home before Angel's mom gets home and locks the door. So, I'm gonna go in and ask for another baggie, and I will see you guys when I get home. So, you guys, it is currently 11:22. And guess who's home? I am. Holy shit. Look at this hair, y'all. Look what it did to my hair, bro. What the hell? But, yeah, I'm home, you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. So, you guys, these are the things I got from the gas station. Just so you guys know. And I'm about to relax. Hey you guys, what's up? So I just got done on the phone with my sister, and apparently we might need to get a ride tomorrow because my dad's birthday is tomorrow, and if you guys don't know, he is really sick. He has ALS and he's in a nursing home. And I might have to go with my mom, my sister and my mom, so I don't know how that's gonna go. I don't know how that's gonna go because I haven't talked to my mom in like a month. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to relax. I'll see you guys. So you guys, it's currently 12:55 and I'm just relaxing. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow because my sister's like, well, why don't you just stay at Children's and we'll pick you up from Children. And I'm just like, okay, well, let me know what's going on because I'm not gonna, if you don't figure this out by the time I go to Children's tomorrow, I'm just gonna go back home. You know what I mean? So, I don't know, y'all, like, she needs to figure this shit out. We should have planned this a lot earlier. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. So, you guys, it is currently 1:14 and it is still raining, y'all. I'm stressing the fuck out. That's what I'm doing. Sorry, y'all. I'm stressing the fuck out. I don't know if I'm going to see my dad tomorrow. Just depends if my sister, you know, gets what she needs to be done so that I have a ride down there. Well, I have a ride down there because I have my Children's appointment tomorrow. But the thing is, like, I need to be able to get a ride back home and all of that. And I did tell my sister that I'm okay with, you know, going to see my dad with my mom for my dad's benefit, but not for my mom's benefit. Like, I'm not gonna be, you all know what went on between me and my mom, and I told my sister, like, I don't mess with my mom, and I'm not gonna do it. So I don't know, y'all. We'll see what happens tomorrow. I let her know that when Babe takes me to Children's, if she doesn't let me know while I'm at Children's what's going on, and if we don't have a ride by then I guess I'm going to go back home with Angel. So, it is what it is, y'all. But I'm gonna call my dad, let him wish him a happy birthday, I guess. Just in case I don't get to go up there tomorrow. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Sorry, you guys, I had ranch all over me. But anyways, it is 2:05 and your girl is currently eating some salad. But here in a little bit after this salad, I'll try to eat it as quick as I can so I can take my shower. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. So you guys, it is currently 2:36 and I just got done with my shower and this is what I'm wearing, something warm. Because as you guys know, whoops, sorry y'all. As you guys know, here in Colorado, it's been raining a lot. It's been really cold. So I've just been wearing warm clothes. But anyways, y'all, I'll check up on you guys later. Bye, you guys. So you guys, it is currently 4:09 and I had put my hair up like this because I didn't want to deal with it today. So I put my hair up like this. But anyways, you guys, if you like this vlog, give it a big fat thumbs up. Apparently my mom's being selfish and told my sister that she's not taking us to Colorado Springs to see my dad for his birthday tomorrow. So most likely, I have a feeling it's not going to work out, but it's okay. But anyways, if you guys like this vlog, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.